hernias can affect anyone, but most commonly we see them in males. This is likely because during development, we actually start out looking like females, and it's testosterone that kicks in that basically allows things like the ovaries to plow through the groin and turn into testes. And this creates residual weakness in the groin, resulting in groin hernias. Now in the belly button area, the umbilical cord during development penetrates through the center of the abdomen. By penetrating through the center of the muscles, it actually creates an area of weakness, and both either the abdomen or groin area could tear and cause a hernia. Now, hernias can occur on their own, but there are certain factors that may make hernias more common. Family history is one of them. When people's parents or grandparents have hernias, there can be increased frequency within yourself. Also, lifting, straining causes increased abdominal pressure, which should cause these weak areas to tear and result in a hernia. The third thing that could cause hernias are also if you have any previous surgery, because previous surgery causes weakness in the healed tissues, and that could tear and result in a hernia itself.